And in response to complaints about access to agro parks, the ministry will be launching the Agro Park Youth Startup Program.
Under this new initiative, youth lease rates for our new agro parks will be cut in half for the first 2 years of operation. Additionally, regular persons have to show 70% of their capital investment. For youth under this program, they will only be called upon to show 35% of the capital investment to be able to start.
Under the first year, they will get free land preparation and free seeds for up to 2 acres.
To other news now.